Hey, you got time for a beer? I know I do. Welcome to my show. My name's Jake. It's not Thursday. It's not Thursday today. Tomorrow will be Thursday, though. We'll do another show then. You can find me at tubajake_69 at Untapped YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. You can tell me your stories. Maybe I'll tell them on here, which would be awesome. I like doing that. Let me know what's going on. I'll let everybody else know, too. So the beer I've got for you today is Big Bird Blood. It's a milkshake-inspired India Pale Ale with lactose, vanilla, banana, and coconut flavor. So hopefully this is pretty good. I had somebody ask if I could make something scary. This one's got a bird skeleton on the label, so I mean that's pretty scary, right? Hopefully Tori likes it. We'll see. So let's just get this thing going. All right. Cheers, if you will. Milkshake-inspired lactose IPA. So I'm expecting this, well, I was expecting this to be kind of golden color, mostly because of the lactose. When I first heard Big Bird Blood, I was kind of hoping it'd be a little bit red, but that's not how that goes. So you got the lactose. Vanilla, banana. Banana I'm a little bit worried about because banana usually ends up making it so that it's sludgy, apparently. I had a friend that owned a brewery and his banana waffles, his banana pancake mead turned into sludge. So, I mean, gross. But, I mean, it was delicious also. Kind of what it looks like in color, kind of what I was expecting in color. It's kind of Big Bird yellow, so that's interesting. I mean, Big Bird Blood. So what would you expect Big Bird Blood to look like, to taste like? I mean, banana is not a surprising flavor for it. Vanilla, also not a surprising flavor. I would have expected it to be a little bit more red, though, to tell you the truth. It smells hoppy. Interesting. Not what I would expect Big Bird Blood to taste like. It's a lot of banana. Like a lot of banana. The vanilla just enhances the banana. Kind of a little bit clovey, but you can taste that there's some hops in there, so it's a little bit bitter. But that makes sense as to what Big Bird Blood might taste like if you were to wring Big Bird out, or what you would expect Big Bird to be if you'd wring that out. That's kind of what you taste, except for the fact that I know that there's a person in there, or if not more than one person in that suit, and it's sweaty. This is not that. This does not taste sweaty. This tastes like bananas and vanilla, like a banana cream pie in a glass. But it's a little bit bitter too, so like a burnt banana cream pie, possibly. It's delicious. I like this a lot. I don't know how easy this stuff is to find. My guess would be difficult, lemon difficult, because I've had this for quite a while, just waiting for a time to have it, and it's been in my cellar and I have not had it. But I've got 5 more, and I might drink more of them because this is pretty good. Schwartz makes some really good beers. Odd beers a lot of the time. I saw that they made a Bloody Mary beer one time, which I would thought was extremely odd. Mind you, I had not had a Michelada at the time, which a Bloody Mary beer is delicious. I'm sure of it. I didn't try it because I was like, that sounds gross. But I didn't want to have that. I wanted something different. So that's what I got. I got something different. That's what I got. But I remember seeing it and I was like, that seems strange. Are there other beers that this reminds me of? This reminds me, I mean, the banana in this reminds me of, well, that beer that I had, the mead that I had, the banana pancake mead down at Sellerman's. It reminds me a little bit of that. It also reminds me of the banana chocolate thing that I had from out at Slow Brew. Reminds me of that a little bit. This is different than both of those, though, for real. This one's, it's different, and it holds its own, and that's amazing. I had one the other day that I was going to make a, I don't remember what that one was. It was banana and something else stout. And I thought that I had finished my video, walked back around, and come to find out I had not finished my video. It was about halfway through, and the video decided to stop, which, that's awful. I hate it when that happens. So I had to make a different one, and I did, and I'm pretty sure that I told you about that, mostly because I burped a couple times on that second show, and was like, oh, that tastes like bananas, which is weird because the one that I was having did not taste like bananas. What does this remind me of? Okay, so when I was in college, had a friend who thought that he was going to be hilarious, and we had bottles up around of different alcohols that we had, like all over this apartment. They had some really interesting ones. They had a tequila bottle that had a glass palm tree coming up through the bottom, that stuck to the bottom. Pretty impressive. Lots of other things. He was like, I'm going to get us, this friend was like, I'm going to get us a 99 bananas bottle. And you might think, hey, that's not that big a deal. I mean, like, they sell that wherever, 99 bananas. The funny thing is, we had a friend whose name was Ben Ennis. They called this guy Bananas because, well, his name is Bananas. Ben Ennis. You can just shift the vowel a little bit, and there you have it, bananas. So this friend of mine was going to do a bottle and put 99 pictures of bananas on a piece of paper and shove it in the bottle. 99 bananas. And I was like, that's hilarious. Get that done, please, because that's funny. You should definitely put that up. And when I got it right away, he didn't think it was funny anymore, and he didn't do it, which is unfortunate because it was pretty funny, actually. It should have happened, Chris. That should have happened. And Bananas would have thought that was funny, too. I'm sure he'd never heard the 99 bananas thing either. I'm sure of it. No, I'm positive that he did. There's coconut in this, too? There is coconut in this. I am tasting coconut, too. This just gets better as I go on. It's amazing. Good beer. Or, you know, milkshake, if you will. Although, if I had a milkshake that tasted like this, I'd be super disappointed. Because it's really bitter for a milkshake. But I'm still getting all of the high points that they're expecting me to get here, which is awesome. Shorts make some really good stuff, some really strange stuff, but some really good stuff also. I mean, and sometimes they're the same thing. Hurry up and get this done, because I got stuff to say about this quote that I've got coming up. It's a very short quote, but it's odd also. Delicious. Okay, so the quote that I've got for you is from Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart. He says, swim upstream. Now, I'm not sure when he says that if he means like swim going upstream so that it's more difficult and you get better results because, more effort going further or to go further. Or if he means like swim upstream because any of the junk that happens, the poo, the pee, you don't have to worry about getting any of that on you because it's all downstream from you. So I'm not sure what she means, but I suppose that's good life advice. Swim upstream. I'm going to say mostly from the aspect of stay above all of the crap that people put into the world. Yeah, I'd go with that. Great. Don't forget you can find me on Untapped, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, all at @tubajake_69. Tell me your stories. I like to hear them. Give me a follow, like, subscribe, share. It'd be great. Catch me next time when you got time for a beer.